Welcome in Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to select the last from in a page. For example, I have HTML from like that, and here you can see there has the two from. One is in here, the action is test1, another is in here, action is test2. Okay, so there's three from actually. So last one is test3.php. We want to select the last one. So this is a scenario that can happen. For example, you have a page and there has the two from. One is for the search something and another is for like a contact page. So you want to submit the contact page, not want to search anything. So in this scenario, you can use or you can select the last form to submit the form. So you can just do it like this. So let's see the example. So here's the first thing that you were seeing in here. I'm just import the WebDriver, Selenium, and then you can see that I've just take the uh, Firefox WebDriver, and then I will just give here the driver and then get method. So this get method in here, I will just give the location. So in this time, I'm just taking this location. That means htdocs abc index.php, this location. So for that, I'm just writing here the http and then slash localhost and slash abc. So after save this, if we just run this script, then this location will be open in browser. So next thing that what we should do, we will just take the from the last from. So for that, I'm just taking a variable called from, and then I'm just writing here the I will just use the xpath. So I'm just writing here the driver, and I think it is find element by xpath. Find element by xpath, like this. And here the first thing that I will do, I will just select the from wherever it is. For example, I will just give here a single quotation, and then I will just use here the for example a bracket, first bracket, like this, and then I will give the double slash and I will just write the from. So that means it has a meaning. That means the select the nodes in the document, or mean select the from in the document from the current nodes that match the selection no matter where they are. That means wherever the from, it will select the from. But we need the last from. So for that, I'm just giving here the last function or method in here. So in this scenario, it will just select the last from in your HTML from. So after select, we will submit the from. So like that, app from dot submit. So if you use this from dot submit, now it should be send the last from in your HTML documentation. So you can see this. My last from is test3.php. So when we will run, it should be go in test3.php. So let's run this Python script. I'm just typing that Python, then test.py, like that. So hit on enter, then my browser should open, Firefox browser. So here you go, the browser is opening, and now it should go in localhost ABC. Okay, so it's going localhost ABC. Okay, so it is still not sending the from. So let's see why it's happened. What's the problem? So it should be the not the element. Elements mean multiple from. We will just select the last from. That means single from. So now let's check again. I'm just going here and then hit on Python test.py again. So let's see. So now it's opening the same thing. You can see. Oh, you can see that it's gone in test3.php. So we have not given any post method in here. So for that reason, it's going in get method. So that's it. So we can select the last from in a HTML in HTML using by xpath like this way. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Welcome for the next.